When you left school, what did you aspire to be? Is that your current role? Hi, I'm Katie and I'm here today to talk about the research I've been doing with the Good Practice team. We wanted to find out how the education system has changed. We also wanted to see how it can be improved from the perspective of young people. We all know the well-being of future generations is really important, but Young Minds reports that 3 children in every classroom is suffering with a mental health problem. As a young person, I felt it was important to get involved. This is because I have first-hand experience in the challenges faced by young people today. As part of this research, we collected data from 2 different schools. We also went to a Melin contractors event and collected data from there. When I asked the contractors about their aspirations as children, I saw a huge variety in their answers. I wanted to find out how people got into their current role if they are not in the role they aspired to be. 92% of those asked said they didn't need to go to university to be in their current role. 50% of those asked said they used work experience and volunteering to help. There are lots of opportunities aside from university. By going to university, you might end up with a degree that you never use. As a young person, I felt the pressures of going to university after school. Seeing these responses had made me see that I'm not on my own. Other people have been in my situation. I dug a bit deeper and I asked what challenges they faced in school. Some people said they lacked in financial support, others lacked in career guidance and choices. By giving people more guidance and showing them more opportunities that are out there, they are more likely to have clarity on their future. It was interesting to me that a lack of confidence held some back. 16% of those asked said they lacked in confidence and faced competition. The questions I asked the young people were: what job do you want to do when you leave school? What issues do you see for yourself getting the job you want? What should politicians, teachers, and people in charge do to help you get the job you want? Support, guidance, encouragement, inform. These were the words which appeared most in the research. One school we went to saw 50% of the children say they need to go to university. Another school we visited saw 50% of the pupils say that grades were the biggest challenge. Through my research, I have found that not much has changed in the education system. Young people aren't taught to find their strengths or any talents they may have. They are taught to know everything about every subject instead of focusing on what they're good at or what they enjoy. I think that young people rebel and don't do well in exams because they are forced to take subjects or forced to revise and remember information they will never use again. University is another factor that adds to the pressure. Many teachers push the route even if it's not what the student wants. This is what the older generation thought the challenges were for young people today. 33% of those asked said they believed that children don't have support from schools and a lack of direction. What do you think the challenges are for school leavers today? The majority of people that I asked said they didn't need to go to university. Shouldn't that be a wake-up call? One message I'd like to leave with you is this: let your past and our present shape their future. Thank you.